Hello students, how are you all? I hope all are fine and doing your studies at home. Children, today let us move on to the third lesson in English, that is, the child who saved the forest. Children, forest is one of the natural resource. What is a natural resource? A natural resource is something that is found in nature. We can use it to meet our needs. Water, air, light, soil, minerals, forest, animals are some of the natural resources. We can use these resources to meet our needs. For example, forest provides us clean air, medicine, fuel. It brings rain. It also gives food and shelter for animals. So, it is our duty to protect the natural resources. The lesson, The Child Who Saved the Forest, is about a boy Prem and his love for the forest and how he saved the trees from being cut down. Children, now I am going to read the lesson for you. Open the textbook and go through it as I read. Unit 3, The Child Who Saved the Forest. Prem lived with his parents in a small village near Bandipur forest. He had the good habit of taking an evening walk in the forest. After some days, he became friendly with the animals and birds in the forest. One day, he came home from school looking sad. His mother asked, "What is the matter, Prem?" He replied, "Ma, I have heard that many trees in the forest will be cut down. Where will the animals and birds go if the trees are cut?" His mother knew that Prem loved trees, birds, animals, and flowers. So she said, "Why don't you go to the forest with your friend Nazreen? Find out what has happened exactly." Prem took his friend Nazreen with him to the forest. They walked to their most favorite place in the forest. As they sat on the rock and looked around, Ira, the deer, came sprinting towards them. Nazreen asked Prem, "What's the matter? Why is the deer looking sad?" Prem replied that the trees in that forest would soon be cut down, and Ira must have heard about this. Both thought for a while about where these animals would go. Then Prem looked at Nazreen and asked, "How can we stop the cutting down of trees?" Nazreen replied, "We will approach the authorities concerned to stop the cutting down of trees." Both of them were very happy and returned to Prem's house. Prem told his mother about their plan. Prem asked his mother, "But whom shall we complain to?" Mother replied, "Of course, to the president of Grama Sabha." Prem wrote a letter to the president of Grama Sabha and requested his parents and their friends to sign on it. They also took signatures of the people in the local community and those residing in nearby villages. Prem sent the letter to the president of Grama Sabha. Very soon he got a reply from the president of Grama Sabha. "Dear Prem, we are happy about the love you have shown towards nature. Your request for not cutting down trees in the forest has been accepted. We have decided not to cut down the trees in the forest. Now the plants, animals, and birds will be safe. You may give this good news to all your friends and villagers. Yours sincerely, Srimati Rukmini Ramaya, President of Grama Sabha. That evening, Prem went back to the village and assured the villagers that nothing would happen to the forest and the animals. Now, let us learn the meaning of some difficult words. Sprinting, running very fast. Authority means people who have power. Complain, express dissatisfaction about something. Delighted, happy. Appreciate, praise. Children, you heard me reading the lesson. Now you practice reading. I will explain the lesson in the next video. Thank you, children.